Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is updated and has battery. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Control Center and Notification Shade. You need to toggle the Use New Control Center option off or on depending on which interface you want. This is the foundational switch that changes available customization. Make sure to pause after toggling so system applies changes. If the option is missing, check for MIUI updates and restart the device before continuing. Once the base interface is selected, tap Customize to edit the control center layout. You can drag icons to reorder quick toggles, add new functions like dark mode, or remove unused ones for clarity. Pay attention to the notification shade versus control center difference. Choose which gestures open each. While you rearrange, make incremental changes and test swipe down gestures after each set to confirm behavior. This prevents accidentally hiding a critical toggle you rely on daily. You finish by saving changes and immediately testing swipe gestures and toggle responses across home screen and apps. If the new control center feels sluggish or icons don't respond, reboot the phone first, then clear system cache from recovery or setting storage. If problems persist after an update, reset control center settings to defaults and redo customization. This often restores expected behavior. As a single troubleshooting tip, reboot and check for pending MIUI updates before deeper resets, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.